Is it just me, or does it feel like AI is changing everything way faster than we thought possible?
Ravindra Dastakop describes it as a discontinuity like electricity or the internet because it's fundamentally changing the accessibility of intelligence itself.
Okay, but aren't people worried about losing their jobs?
It's less about direct replacement and more about AI taking over isolated tasks. The real issue is whether people can show unique value beyond what a machine offers.
So what does that mean for software engineers? Are they obsolete now?
Not at all. The role is evolving. They'll write less code, sure, but they will take on more responsibility. It's about system thinking and deciding what to build, not just how.
Interesting. So with AI doing so much, why do I still feel so tired all the time?
That could be unresolved work. When outcomes are unclear, the mind keeps processing even when you're not actively working. AI just amplifies this because it can always keep going.
Got it. So moving to manufacturing, is AI just automating factories, or is there more to it?
Oh, it's way more than that. AI enables factories to learn and adapt. It transforms them from static, reactive systems into dynamic, intelligent ones.
Okay, well, this has all been very insightful.
Ultimately, it's about humans becoming more deliberate and responsible. It's about learning to think with machines, but never surrendering judgment.